Turkish just neutralized 3 PKK terrorists in North Iraq. Turkey granted citizenship to over 92,000 Syrians. Over 180 irregular immigrants held in Turkey. US and Taliban talks resume in Doha. US to deploy missiles in Asia soon, Defense Chief. Sudanese celebrate power sharing deal. Libya, UN recognized government down Haftar UAV. Malaysian Premier advises youth to work in Turkey. Rohingya crisis, India urge world to help Bangladesh. Bangladesh, nearly 23,000 people infected by dengue. Amid Afghan peace talk, casualties spiked to 1,500 plus. Pakistan says India used cluster munition, India denies.